Morning everybody, and welcome to today's morning market. So today's video really builds on Paul's discussion from yesterday and focuses on China. So overnight, China have reduced the reserve requirements for their banks by 0.5%. So let's just dive into the details. So as I said before, China have reduced the amount of reserves that their banks need to hold overall. But what does that mean? Well, it means that it frees up around about 1 trillion yuan in long-term capital. And this comes on the back of yesterday's reports where from the press conference, the Chinese governor said that they were looking to strengthen the market's inherent stability. Now, what does that mean by cutting the reserve requirement? Well, it means that banks will be able to lend more, and we're actually seeing that come through. So when we look at the People's Bank of China, they've actually lowered their interest rates on loans for agriculture, rural areas and small businesses, and they've lowered that by 0.25 percentage point from tomorrow. But I guess why is the Chinese government acting? You know, what we've seen is China has struggled on the back of high youth unemployment, issues in the property sector, and also, I guess, a lack of foreign investment. Now, what you're seeing is the Chinese government stimulate the economy to help shore up the economy overall. And then finally, how have asset markets moved on the back of that? Well, Chinese equities have moved strongly. So we saw the Shanghai Composite finish up nearly 2% overnight. So building on the previous strength in the previous trading session. And then yesterday we saw US equities, so this is in sterling terms, finish up around about 0.8%. And probably the big news was in the after hours trading, which were the results coming through from Netflix. So they managed to add another 13 million subscribers in the final quarter of last year. And we saw the share price up 8% in after hours trading. Just on earnings today, we've got Tesla much later this evening coming through. So all eyes will be on what comes from that earnings statement. That's everything from me. I hope you enjoyed today's morning markets. I look forward to speaking to you soon. Thank you.